What's up, internet? I've been in crypto for like what, 6 years now, 7, something like that. And look, I've tested so many different platforms, exchanges, all this stuff. And one thing that's always been tricky is actually getting your crypto out, like converting it to real money, cash, fiat, whatever you want to call it. Because yeah, sure, you can hold Bitcoin, you can hold Ethereum, but at some point, you want to actually use that money in real life. And here's the point. Okay, so the internet is just absolutely flooded with scam exchanges, like seriously flooded. I'm not even exaggerating here. I've personally fallen for this crap multiple times, lost money, had platforms just disappear, frozen withdrawals, all that nightmare stuff. So I'm super paranoid now about where I actually put my money.
But for the past year, maybe a little over a year now, I've been using this one app, and honestly, it's been solid, like genuinely solid. So let me just show you how it actually works. Okay, so for demonstration purposes, let's do BTC converting to USDT. Pretty typical transaction for me. Okay, first step, selecting the token pair. BTC on the sending side, scrolling down, there it is, USDT on the receiving end. Click that, and the exchange rate pops up. Actually pretty solid. I compared this with a few other platforms earlier today, and this rate's competitive. Good. Next thing, my destination wallet address. And look, pay close attention here. Verify this address like your life depends on it. Check it twice, however many times you need, because mess this up and those coins are permanently gone, and support cannot reverse blockchain transactions. Nobody can fix that mistake.
So switching to my wallet app, grabbing the address, pasting it in, perfect, matches. Now the term screen. Scrolling through, quick verification, rates accurate, wallet address matches, looks good. Clicking confirm and create order. Done, orders live in the system. So now I gotta send the tokens to this address. Just give me a sec. Good, switching back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment button here. Done, now we're just in processing mode. It usually wraps up in about a few minutes or so, sometimes faster. I'm gonna speed this part up for you. And done, exchange complete. So what I really like is, okay, they've been on the market for years now. Like they have actual history and track record. They have real customer support that actually responds. There's an active community. People actually use this thing and talk about it. You can see everything here, all my transaction history. It's all documented and traceable, which nice, that's transparency. So why do I actually trust this platform when I've been burned so many times before? Let me tell you about my worst experience. A couple years ago, I used this exchange, looked super professional, clean website, had all these reviews that turned out to be completely fake. I put in like, I think it was around 3 grand, tried to withdraw and nothing, just nothing. Support completely ghosted me, website shut down like 3 weeks later, money's gone forever. That sucked. So what makes this one different? Okay, first off, they're actually registered and regulated. They have proper licensing. They're not just some random website operating from who knows where. Second thing is they've been around for a while now. Like they're established, thousands of users, real reviews from real people. And third, fine, they actually use cold storage for the funds. They have multi-signature wallets, third-party audits, all the technical security stuff that a real platform should have. I'm not saying it's completely risk-free because nothing in crypto is risk-free, obviously, but these are the actual signs of a legitimate operation versus like a scam that's just gonna disappear tomorrow.
Okay, so quick things. If you're gonna use any exchange, not just this one, start small, seriously. Test it with like $100 or $300 first. Make sure the whole process works before you move any serious money. Enable all the security features, 2-factor authentication, biometrics, withdrawal whitelist, whatever they have, use all of it. Verify you're using the official app and website because scammers make fake versions all the time. And never, like never ever share your recovery phrases or passwords with anyone. Real support will never ask for that stuff. Good. So yeah, that's basically my experience with this app. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Do your own research, obviously. Don't invest more than you can lose, all that stuff. Okay, yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.